The podcast doctor is in. In this video, we'll talk about editing files in GarageBand. The original GarageBand had a podcast module. I started out recording directly into GarageBand, which proved to be cumbersome. For any podcaster, the real strength of GarageBand is stingers and jingles. Jingles are Apple's royalty-free music. Stingers are broadcast squiggles, which are used as transmissions or emphasis, i.e., a drum fill or rim shot. This is how I do it. Create your podcast editorial content in voice memos on your smartphone or as a QuickTime audio on your computer. I park the finished file in Dropbox for later download to my computer. Loading to a disk compresses the file and creates an MP3. Open GarageBand, drag the MP3 from Dropbox to the desktop of your computer. Drag that file into GarageBand and edit the file, taking out the stumbles and extraneous content. Last step, reconnect the purged file. Now you add jingles, royalty-free theme music, and separate your content with stingers. Those little broadcast squiggles so beloved of our terrestrial counterparts. Or, better still, create your own stingers and store them in Apple loops. Before saving the completed file, share to disk for ease of loading to your hosting site. Send your file to Dropbox or other cloud storage. This will create another MP3 file and aid in compression for easy loading to your host site. When next we meet, we'll discuss finding your favorite podcasts. For every writer, data is our business. It doesn't matter what you write or where you write, which counts. It's important to have a reliable backup. Remember Digital Rule 1. It's not what you're going to do if your device fails. It's what you're going to do when that device fails. Be proactive. Call MouseQualls at 615-662-0235. VIP Silver is intended for the seasoned citizens 55 and older. It's $300 for an annual subscription or monthly billing at $25.95, the introductory rate. For listeners of this podcast, it's $19.95 for the first 3 months. Use the coupon code WOODY for this signing bonus, just like the pros. Call 615-662-0235. While the internet is forever, we are slightly less durable. And using Silver IT, your heirs will have access to your data. Do it right now. This has been Podcast Bootcamp Series 3, Number 2, 0701 for identification. P.S. If the background looks different, I'm at the Embassy Suites in Franklin, Tennessee, instead of my local Mickey D's, and I wish to thank them for granting me complimentary access to the internet. This has been Podcast Bootcamp Series 3, Number 2, 0701 4